You'll need 6 tablespoons of coconut milk, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1½ teaspoons of minced ginger, Thai chili pepper thinly sliced, or I used a half of a jalapeno because my boys don't like it that spicy. So if you don't want it so spicy, maybe consider using a jalapeno. A teaspoon of sherry. Just combine everything. So for this meal kit, I'm going to include one of the Thai Coconut Marinade packets, peanut dipping sauce, and about ½ cup of peanuts. So I'm just going to take the marinade along with the dipping sauce and the peanuts. And you can see that this is not going to take a lot of freezer space, and I can stack them up on a shelf in the freezer, and all of the hard work is done. For the rice bowls, I like to cut the chicken breasts into cutlets, thinner pieces of meat, and marinate them for at least 6 hours or overnight. Then top it with the peanut dipping sauce that we put into the kit, and a few little peanuts as well that we also put in the freezer meal kit. Then all you need to do for dinner is just steam up some rice and maybe stir fry a few veggies. To make the peanut dipping sauce, I took a 1/3 cup of peanut butter and I microwaved it for just a few seconds to soften it up. I have a 1/3 cup of hot water. One teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 clove of garlic, I finely minced it, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Just give it a really good stir, and you may need to put it in the microwave for a few seconds to just melt the peanut butter a little more. But that's what the peanut sauce looks like. Delicious. Another way that I like to serve this is just make some spring rolls. So for this meal kit, I'm going to include one of the Thai Coconut Marinade packets, peanut dipping sauce, and about ½ cup of peanuts. For the spring rolls, I like to cut the chicken into cutlets and then marinate them for at least 6 hours. And then after they come off the grill, I like to slice them into thin slices. And I use these rice paper spring wrappers. To make the spring rolls, you take the rice paper rounds and dip it a couple of times in some warm water, and then let the excess drip off. Then you add some lettuce, red pepper strip, cucumber strip, some julienne, carrots, maybe a snow pea, and then I use the rice vermicelli noodles that I've soaked in some water and then drained off. You can find those in the Asian section of your grocery store. In addition, I'm going to add some grilled chicken breast that I've marinated and sliced very thin. It has such wonderful flavor. It's very sweet, almost like lobster meat. Poor man's lobster. And then just add some of the peanut sauce. I also like to have a little bit of crunch in the spring roll. So I'll add 4 or 5 peanuts at this point. Then I like to take cilantro and turn the pretty side of the leaf down onto the paper. And then take some cooked shrimp. I've sliced them in half, so basically we use 1.5 shrimps per spring roll. And then you just want to take the rice paper. It's kind of sticky. It'll stick to itself very well. And you want to roll it tightly. And then, like a burrito, bring the sides up. Try to get it really tight when you roll it. And you'll see that it's kind of pretty because the shrimp line up and then the cilantro leaves line up. Then just plate it with some sweet chili sauce. This is just one example of the sweet chili sauce that I use for the spring rolls. This is the Trader Joe's brand, but there are many different brands available in the supermarket. So pretty easy to find. For the Oriental salad kit, I have the Thai Coconut Marinade, and then I have the chow mein noodle in sliced almond packet. For the Oriental chicken salad, I like to cut the chicken breasts into cutlet-sized pieces, marinate them for at least 6 hours, and then cook them on the grill. To assemble the salads, I chop 6 cups of romaine lettuce and a cup of red cabbage, and then distribute 10 ounces of shredded carrots evenly among the 6 salads. Then I chop 3 or 4 green onions, divide them amongst the salads. I julienne 1 red bell pepper and divide it as well. You can add 3 or 4 snow peas to each salad. I like to add some chopped cilantro to each salad. You can add water chestnuts that have been sliced. I take a 15-ounce can of mandarin oranges and divide that among the salads. And then finally, I slice and add the chicken breasts and top it with some sesame seeds. Then you can go ahead and pack the salads up in these meal prep containers. And then in the packages, I have romaine noodles with sliced almonds. For the curry kit, I have the Thai Coconut Marinade, and then I have the garlic and ginger and curry paste packet, and then I have some peanuts as a garnish. Marinade 2 to 3 pounds of chicken breast that I've cubed up, and make what I call curry in a hurry. It's a real simple recipe. What you'll need is 1 tablespoon of the Thai Kitchen red curry paste, 1 clove of minced garlic, and equal amounts of minced ginger. You'll need a 11-ounce bottle of Trader Joe's Thai red curry sauce and a can of coconut milk. I have a tablespoon of oil heating in my pan. I'm going to add the tablespoon of Thai red paste, ginger, and garlic. I'm going to add the chicken. Now that the chicken has cooked for about 10-15 minutes, I'm going to add the jar of curry sauce and the can of coconut milk. I'm going to reduce the heat and let this simmer for about a half an hour. It's been about a half an hour and the curry is done. So I just served the curry over some steamed rice and some veggies. And this is what the curry looks like, and it's delicious. This has so much flavor. Another way I like to use the marinade is to make a Panko Coconut breaded chicken cutlet. In this meal kit, I have the Thai Coconut Marinade, the Apricot dipping sauce, and then I have 2 cups of the Panko breadcrumbs and a cup of shredded coconut. To make the Panko coconut crusted chicken, I like to cut the chicken breasts into cutlet size pieces, 2 or 3 depending on how large the chicken breasts are, and then put them in the marinade for 6 hours or overnight if you have it. To make the coconut chicken, it's real easy. I have some cutlets that I've marinated in the coconut Thai marinade, and then I dusted them in some flour, put them in the coconut milk, and then coated them with 2 parts panko breadcrumbs and 1 part coconut. And then I just pan fry them until they're golden brown in just a little bit of oil, and finish them off in a 350 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And I put it on a rack so that it remains crisp all the way around. To make the apricot dipping sauce, you'll need 1 clove of garlic and also equal amounts of fresh ginger minced, 2 teaspoons of a Dijon mustard, a jalapeno finely minced, and about a 1/2 cup of apricot preserves, and about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. We'll just mix it up. And that's it. That's the apricot dipping sauce. Here's the coconut chicken with the apricot dipping sauce. And this is so good. Oh my goodness, it's really good.